Today we have something truly exciting, a legendary comeback from Nokia. Yes, you heard it right. The Nokia 6600, one of the most iconic mobile phones of its time, is making a grand return but with a modern twist. Introducing the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G, packed with cutting-edge technology, a powerful 7,000 mAh battery, and an insane 200 megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into its exclusive first look, features, price, and expected launch date. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specs, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The original Nokia 6600, launched in 2003, was one of Nokia's best-selling phones, loved for its durability, innovative design, and advanced features for its time. Fast forward to 2024, and Nokia is bringing back the magic, but now in a full-fledged 5G flagship smartphone. The question is, can Nokia reclaim its throne in the smartphone industry? Let's find out. First things first, the display. The Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G comes with a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for enhanced durability. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate and an ultra-responsive 240Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring a buttery, smooth user experience. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or scrolling, this phone is built for fluid performance. Now let's talk about one of its biggest highlights, the camera. The Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G is rocking a massive 200 megapixel DSLR-grade camera, promising incredible detail, sharpness, and professional-level photography. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night shots, this phone is expected to deliver stunning results. And for all the selfie lovers out there, you're getting a 32 megapixel front camera, perfect for high-resolution selfies and video calls. Under the hood, this smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 5G processor, coupled with Android 15. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 isn't the latest, it's still a powerful chipset capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven applications with ease. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you can expect lightning-fast internet speeds and ultra-low latency. One of the biggest selling points of this device is its beastly 7,000 mAh battery. That's right. Nokia is bringing incredible battery life, ensuring you stay connected for longer without constantly reaching for a charger. And to make things even better, the phone supports 85-watt fast charging via USB Type-C, meaning you can go from 0 to 100% in just a few minutes. Now, the most important part, the price and launch date. According to leaks and early reports, the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $250 globally. However, the official pricing will only be revealed at launch. As for the release date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could hit the market in late 2024 or early 2025. Stay tuned for updates. So, what do you think about the Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G? Does it have what it takes to compete with today's flagship smartphones? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest smartphones. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tech savvy.